Did you know that you can take the old steam train from Cape Town all the way to the Elgin Railway Market? We did this and we got on at the Vanderstel station in Somerset West. From here, it's about an hour and a half on the train to the market. When you book online, you can choose which section of the train you'd like to sit in, and we of course chose the bar area. It's so convenient. You can get drinks, food and snacks on the train, and the staff are so friendly. We got to see the beautiful murals in Ceres Pass Village, which was painted by the local community. The train actually passes by two of our listings, which was so cool to see it from a different angle. And then we get to see the beautiful vineyards of Idiom Wine Estate and then the view of False Bay. It's so impressive. You can see all the way to Cape Point. Once you get to the market, you get 2 hours to look around, grab something to eat and do some shopping. There's a wine tasting room, craft gins, craft beers and live music, so it's such a fun vibe. There's really something for everybody. If you're staying in one of our Airbnbs, the station is not very far, so you can make a day trip out of this. If you're staying with us soon or you're planning a trip, definitely check out the train. I'm happy to send more info if you need it.